So how you doing? Hey, today I'm going to pull out a saw I haven't ran in a very long time, so we're going to give it a run. I already did like 3 videos on this saw way back, like 2 years ago, and I haven't ran it since. So back when I first got this saw, it had an air leak. So, you know, I made those 3 videos on it, but then I went ahead, replaced the crankshaft seals, but I never got around to testing it after I replaced the seals. It just kind of sat around for the last 2 years. So, you know what? We're gonna give it a run today and see how she does. Homelite XL-400. It's a little bit more rare saw. She is almost identical to a Super XL Auto, but they are a larger displacement version. The starter's a little bit different, and they have a compression release. So if you're looking at the Super XL Autos, but you would like just a little bit more power, this might be where you're headed. The XL-400. There's also an XL-500. It's even bigger yet, but I don't have one of those. But here's the XL-400. We're gonna make a couple of cuts and make sure the air leak is fixed. Alrighty. So there you go, the XL-400. It's not showing any signs of an air leak now. Everything seems to be fixed. In fact, this saw kind of surprises me. It runs better than what you would expect. You know, maybe I'm just used to some smaller saws or whatever, but I really like this saw. It runs really well. Got great torque where you need it and everything. She pulls right through the wood. You know, these saws aren't the fastest turning things, but you know, it is a very comfortable saw to run. You know, you're not in a hurry when you're out there cutting firewood. So, you know, why not run something and let you relax a little bit, you know? They're fun to run. There you go, the Homelite XL-400, making a couple of cuts. Air leak is fixed, and we're good to go. Hey, there she sits on the ground. You see it over there? Yep. But anyway, hey, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.